Thank you. It was a day of assessing damage and adding up the costs after that relentless rain from Jordan to Owasco and other communities in Cayuga County. Some areas getting drenched with more than 2 inches of rain. With the rain easing, the water receding, allowing recovery efforts in communities hit hard.
News Channel 9's Alexander Dern shows us how cleanup operations kicked into high gear.
Emergency personnel and volunteers working tirelessly into Wednesday.
Last night, big thing was just getting people safely out of their homes and out of harm's way, because, I mean, it's hard to picture, but there were rapids literally going across the street here.
Kevin Wilkin forced to evacuate his home, which now has a basement full of water that's been getting pumped out since the morning hours.
It was about up to my thigh, several feet of water. The cars did okay, but, some damage in all of them, water inside all of them, and we got out all right, though.
Down the road in Elbridge, one man finds himself staring at thousands of dollars worth of damage.
I went down and, checked the wall and the windows, and it seemed like there was a lot of water. And I looked at the window again, and I saw cracks starting to form.
Keith tells me he saw the crack forming right here at the edge right here, and that's when the foundation just washed in.
The debris was up to about my knees, and so I had to climb out of there and called 911 to try to get it pumped out.
Now it's on to the rebuilding stage.
You don't think about it happening to you, but when it does, you just try and hold on to those things that make you grateful and try not to get too far ahead of things. We still have a long way to go before we can kind of evaluate, and there's no point worrying about stuff that we don't know about yet. So,
staying safe after weathering the storm. In Jordan, Alexander Dern, News Channel 9.